Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. Imagine preparing to pay money at the checkout of a supermarket. Then you find you cannot complete the transaction with Apple Pay. What's even worse is that you don't bring any cash at all. If you are suffering from this problem, just take it easy. I will help you to fix it. Our method number one is to relaunch the Apple Watch wallet app. In general, some minor crashing problems can be easily fixed by forcing quit and reopening the Apple Wallet app. It may be faulty as it can adapt to the operating system changes. So you have to simply open the app and then close it. Then try reopening it again. If the issue persists, then move to the next step. Our next step is to select a credit card. It may have difficulty making purchases when you use a debit card. In other words, you can enter to Apple Wallet app and manually choose a credit card that has enough money to pay and can be used normally. If this still doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to charge your iPhone. When your iPhone's battery level is below 20%, it will enter low power mode to save the battery. In this mode, you can't access many features of your device and it may prevent Apple Pay from working properly. So you have to make sure that your iPhone charging is up to 20. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is move to the next step. Our next step is to restart your device. Although is a glitch as you must know it from other similar posts. There is no doubt that restarting your iPhone can fix many basic issues even if Apple Pay stops working on your iPhone. So you have to open the settings and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, if this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply contact Apple customer support. If none of the method work on Apple Pay on iPhone not working issue, the last resort is to ask Apple customer support for help. Since NFC chip is used to connect your credit card with the point of sale terminal, it will influence your transaction and cause the error from the hardware level. It can't be fixed on your own, so never hesitate to contact Apple support. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.